Hi everyone and welcome to Contenta Crafts. Lynn here. It's Sunday's Crafting to Christmas today. So I've got a really cute, fabulous interactive penny slider card for you today. So here it is. So this is a close-up of the card we are going to create today. So this little snowman will slide and spin across the card. It's really fun, so let me show you how easy it is to create this fun and interactive card. So without further ado, let's get started. So the base of my card is this white 5 by 7 inch card, and I'm going to pop this landscape. And then I'm going to take a piece of a blue card, and this measures 6.5 by 4.5 inches, and I'm going to pop this onto the white card. Grab my glue and we get this popped on. So I'll just pop my glue around like so, and then pop this onto the base card. And this will just leave a nice little border around the card. Stick that down. Okay. I've taken a piece of white card, and this measured 6.25 by 4.25, and I've layered that one on top of the blue one. So I'm just going to pop this card to one side for the moment. Okay, so now I've got a piece of a blue card, and this measures 6 inches across by 4 inches. And what I've done here on the 4-inch side, I measured 2 inches and put myself a little pencil mark. And I turned it around and I measured 2 inches again at this side and popped a little mark. Then I turned it onto my 6-inch side, and what I did was I came in 1/4 of an inch and just drew myself a line down to this 2-inch mark here, and I did another 1/4 of an inch on this side and met up with the 2-inch mark here. Okay, so that's what we want to do next. Then I've got this little die here. This is just from a tonic die set. I think it was from some Christmas die set. And what I want to do is, where we have the 1/4 inch mark and the 2-inch mark, I want to come and sit this die in front of the 1/4 inch and 2-inch point. And I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. So I'll just grab my tape and I'll stick this down. So the way you want this to sit is pop the die just sort of either side of the little mark here. So you will see that there. So you have a little bit at either side of the 2-inch mark here. And then you want to just stick this down, and I'll pop off camera and just run this through my die cutting machine. Then if, like me, you have a small die, what you want to do is just line it back up and come into this part where you've already made your previous cut, line it up and then stick that down. Now then, I've had sticky tape to keep the die down onto when I ran it through the machine, and I put a piece here as well, and it's pulled the card hopefully I'll be able to do something with that. So you will get your cut out looking like that. You might have a longer die, which will work out better than the way I'm having to do this, but this is still okay. So for the last piece, I will line that up and run that through. So this is how you will get your little cut out. Okay, so I decided I wasn't going to be able to rescue this piece of card at all, so I've gone and cut myself another piece of card. Okay, so on to popping the mechanism to make the card sort of spin and slide. Okay, so I've got this little snowman here, and this was from a Christmas Village 75 piece card making set. It's from a set from Crafts Beautiful, and it's a last year's Christmas set, and I've never really done anything with it, so I decided to use some of the little pieces out of the set. Okay, so what you want to do is grab yourself a couple of pennies, and I just want to take your little snowman or whatever you might use, penguins, whatever, and I just want to flip this over. Okay, so what you want to do is take yourself a little foam pad and pop it into the centre of the snowman. Peel the back off, and then pop your penny onto the back of the dimensional. Okay, so then what you want to do is keep your little snowman down, pop this face down, so this is going to be the front of my card. Pop that down, take yourself another foam pad, but this, what I want to do is pop that into the centre of the penny, and then peel this off, and what I want to do is come in with my other penny and centre that over, lining it up with the penny underneath, and just press that down. So press that down once you've lined it up with the penny underneath, and then you will see you have your little penny slider. Okay, so for the back we need to put some little bits of foam pad. So I've got some here, and just I'm going to pop some in these corners here. Just make sure when you put them on, you don't put them too near to your little pennies. Stick one in the four corners here, like so, and then I think I will pop one in the middle and one in the middle. I think that is, oops, I'm going to have to move that. That is a little bit close to the penny. I'll move that up a little bit and pop that one about there. So I'm just going to put a double layer onto these little middle ones here, just to lift it up a bit. Just peel the back off. So and then again on this one, and then grab my base card in, and we will just get this. Oops, he's doing flip-flops here. All right, we'll just turn him around and we shall stick it down like so. Okay, so I did put a couple of extra little foam pads at the top underneath and at the bottom underneath, but gave this plenty clearance so that this just lifts the blue card up that little bit, and look how he goes there. Absolutely fabulous. And I've just got this little snowflake here, and I'm just going to stick that down in the corner like so. Also got this Let It Snow sentiment, so I'm just going to fussy cut around the sentiment and then pop this onto the card. Just go around something like this. Just leaving a little bit of a blue border around like so. And I'm just going to pop that down there. I just want to trim a little bit like that. Yeah. Grab my glue and I'm going to pop that into the corner here. Just like so. And then I know that isn't going to interfere with the mechanism on the snowman. Then I've just popped some ink onto my acrylic block. I'm going to get a little bit of water, just with that a little bit. And then I'm just going to splash. I'm just going to put just a few little splatters, not much, onto the card, just to make it look a little bit more snowy. You can just see them there. I've just decided to pop a couple of other little snowflakes on here, so I'm going to do one in the corner there, in the opposite corner like so, and I'm just going to stick this one in the middle. I don't think the snow splatters have worked out very well, and I'm going to grab another little gem and I'll pop that into this one here. So there it is, a really simple but fabulous fun interactive card, and you can have anything sliding along. How great is that? And if it sticks a little bit, just give it a little shake and there we go. How great is that? So I hope I've given you some inspiration today to create your fun interactive card. If I have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also would you consider subscribing to my channel? It really helps me out if you do this for me. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back with another Christmas video very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting, take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.